This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your browser and go to YouTube. To start using YouTube. Use Microsoft Edge, Chrome, or Firefox as you prefer. Sign in with your Google account to sync subscriptions and watch history. If you prefer an app experience, open the Microsoft Store and search for YouTube, or choose the progressive web app installation. Pin YouTube to the taskbar for one-click access in Windows 11. Right-click the tab or app icon and choose Pin to taskbar to keep it available. Use the search bar with specific keywords to find videos quickly. Refine results with filters like upload date, type, and duration for precise matches. Use spacebar to play or pause and arrow keys for 5-second seek during playback. Click the gear icon to change quality, subtitles, and playback speed for better viewing. Press the F key to enter full screen and the K key to toggle play and pause. Use the M key to mute or unmute audio instantly. Install YouTube as a PWA for an app-like window experience through your browser menu. After installing, pin the app to start or taskbar for quick launching. Use picture-in-picture to keep video visible while multitasking by clicking the PIP icon or right-clicking twice on video. Enable notifications to get updates from your subscribed channels and new video alerts. Cast video to compatible devices using the cast icon when a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.